Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks. Using a plucker, get rid of stray hair around your eyes. Moisturize the area around your eyebrows. Massage it well. Brush your brows. Trim brows with scissors if needed. Brush up your brows again. Conceal the area around your brows. Blend it using a beauty blender. Pick a dark brown eyeshadow. Fill in your eyebrows using light strokes. Apply a soft pink shade on your lids. Blend it well. Apply below your lashes. Coat your lashes well with mascara. Pick a pink shimmery shade from your palette. Highlight your brow bone to define it. And you're all done. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.